Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change your display name on Zoom application. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Zoom application, and after that you just need to take a look on these three small dots in the top part on the right corner, and after that you just need to go find your account on the top side right here, and then you just need to go click it, and you will see on the second rows there will be a display name. So if you want to change it, you just need to go click it, and now you just need to put the display name here by the name that is already required by the meeting host. So let's say the meeting host need to make the participant to be inputting their department. So let's say I am from the sales department, so you just need to put the sales depth and go enter your first name, and here we go. And after that you just need to go click save. So your display name now is already changed with sales depth Lunar. So that is the way how to change your display name on a Zoom application, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't ever forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.